compliments hold incredible power when delivered sincerely. And some compliments are so rare and genuine that they leave a lasting impact. In a world where superficial praise is common, these forbidden compliments stand out by touching upon the inner virtues that women value deeply. Drawing on Stoic principles, which emphasize inner strength, wisdom, and authenticity, these three compliments go beyond flattery to acknowledge qualities that are rarely spoken about yet can be truly transformative. When you tell a woman, "I admire the way your inner strength shines even in the darkest moments," you are complimenting her character rather than her looks. This is not a superficial remark but an acknowledgement of her resilience and personal growth. Such words reveal that you have noticed the challenges she has overcome and the wisdom she has gained along the way. It is a compliment that resonates on a deeper level because it shows that you value her spirit and authenticity. Stoic philosophy teaches that true beauty lies in the strength of one's character and the ability to remain calm and wise under pressure. This compliment, although rarely given, has the power to make her feel deeply seen and appreciated for who she is. Another forbidden compliment is saying, "Your mind is a sanctuary of wisdom and creativity." This statement goes beyond the common praise of physical appearance and delves into her intellectual and emotional world. By appreciating her intelligence and depth of thought, you acknowledge qualities that many women spend years developing. It is a compliment that elevates her beyond external standards and affirms that her insights and perspectives are valuable. In a society that often judges by surface-level beauty, this recognition of her inner world is both unexpected and immensely attractive. The third powerful compliment is, "Your passion for life and the way you pursue your dreams ignites everything around you." This compliment recognizes her drive and ambition, qualities that are not only admirable but also inspiring. It tells her that you see the fire within her, the energy that pushes her to strive for greatness even when faced with obstacles. This compliment is forbidden because it is rarely heard and it challenges the conventional focus on appearance. It reflects a genuine admiration for her determination and the impact she has on those around her. Qualities that lead to lasting fulfillment and personal growth. Together, these three forbidden compliments work on a profound level. They do not merely flatter superficial attributes but honor the inner strength, wisdom, and passion that define a woman. When delivered sincerely, these words have the power to create an unbreakable emotional connection, affirming her unique qualities in a way that resonates long after the conversation ends. Embrace these compliments as tools to inspire genuine admiration and to build relationships founded on mutual respect and true understanding.